Up, everybody? My name is KM here, and well, going to do a reaction of One Guy, One Screwdriver. However, before I get started, the person who challenged me to do this is named called Zephon Iron Fist. He did a reaction of this video. If you want to check it out, go to his YouTube channel, I guess. But yeah, he was freaking out on that video. Now he wants me to do my own reaction. And, well, he said it's worse than One Man in One Jar. And I think that I believe him, but I just don't know. Because I've seen parts, but I haven't seen the whole thing. Okay, well, let's continue on with the reaction. Ooh!
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh! 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 God! What the fuck is wrong with people who do that? Oh! Oh God. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, Zephon, you were right. That was more fucked up than One Man One Jar. I know it was only a minute long. It was still gross, disgusting. I mean, like I said, I don't judge anyone. I try not to be. But, why would people stick a screwdriver in their penis? I mean, it's disgusting. I'm not judging you guys for it, but I'm just gonna say it's a stupid thing to do. It's like, you can probably die from that. Like, what the fuck? It's like, sticking a screwdriver in your own penis. You're like, what the? It was disgusting, and when the guy pulled it out, there's also like a lot of blood. It's like, ugh, gosh, disgusting. But I witnessed it all. Hopefully I don't have to do this again, since I first watched it. But if you guys have any requests that you want me to do reaction of, give me anything, sexual, scary, whatever. You name it, I'll do it. Cam here will do any reaction. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you guys had a good time laughing at me reacting. Yeah. Well, later, man. Peace.